Still struggling with delayed shipments, manual warehouse work, and rising logistics costs? What if your shipping and warehouse operations actually work together, smoothly, accurately, and in real time? Most businesses face the same problems: manual packing and shipping, multiple carrier portals, inventory mismatches, delayed order fulfillment, and zero real-time visibility inside Dynamics 365 Business Central. That's exactly why MetaOption built MetaShip and MetaWMS, two powerful solutions designed to eliminate warehouse and shipping chaos. MetaShip centralizes your entire shipping process directly inside Business Central. Compare real-time carrier rates, print shipping labels instantly, automate packing workflows, track shipments in one place, and reduce shipping errors without switching systems. MetaWMS takes your warehouse to the next level: advanced inventory control, barcode-driven picking and put away, optimized bin management, real-time stock accuracy, and faster order fulfillment, built natively for Business Central. Together, MetaShip and MetaWMS create a fully connected warehouse-to-shipping ecosystem. Less manual work, faster dispatches, lower costs, and happier customers. Businesses using MetaOption solutions gain better visibility, improved accuracy, and scalable logistics without ERP complexity. Ready to simplify your shipping and warehouse operations? Explore MetaShip and MetaWMS by MetaOption today. Click the link below and transform how your business ships and stores.